Forget about hot girl summer. Ipsy wants us to discover a hot glow summer. So if you want to see what's in my little bag, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Bandit's hanging out with me and Chloe's taking a nap. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Ipsy, for the month of July, is claiming it's a hot glow summer instead of a hot girl summer. And let's see if they got it right. So the bag design is super cute. Love the little kind of pattern on there. Just a regular little circular tag here. The inside is a mint green, a little sneak peek, and it's kind of big in here. Might be a full size. Did I welcome you? I'm sorry. Welcome. If you're new, we're glad you stopped by, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, now into business. What you all came here for is to see what's in my glam bag. So first thing, and I don't remember which I picked, to be honest, but the very first thing in here is by Shades by Shan, and this is the gel eyeliner in Berry Blue. I think I know what I picked, and I think you guys are going to be surprised because it wasn't that very big item. So it says it stays for all day and night. It will give you a sharp, smudge-proof line with a pop of shimmer, and its creamy formula glides on like a dream while nourishing jojoba oil keeps your eyes comfy and hydrated. This is full size with an MSRP of $18. So right there, that's my bag plus the handling. They don't charge you shipping, they charge you like $2 handling. Alright, so there it is. Oh, it is very, very smooth going on. Like the lightest touch, and it's boom, it's right there. Then you can give it a nice little smudge. Alright, I'm not mad about that. Next, I think this was my choice item, and I know it's a tiny little guy. I actually expected it to be a little bit larger, not huge, but a little bit larger than this, but I was just intrigued. So this is by Alamar Cosmetics, and it's a plumping lip water. It's their Agua Fresca, and the full size of this is $20. That's for 7 milliliters, and this, it doesn't say, 5 milliliters, really? It's almost full size. Okay. Was that 0.5? Well, it's a transparent lip plumper that combines nourishing jojoba and argan oils for a glossy finish and a refreshing tingling sensation. It's infused with hyaluronic filling spheres to help plump and hydrates from within for luscious lips that steal the night. Okay. Now I do have on a pink lip oil from Naked Sundays. That has an SPF of 50. So we could put this over. I was just very intrigued, like, what is a lip water? Alright, so I put like a little, you can barely see it. The consistency is not watery, it's almost balm-like in consistency. Smells minty. And I don't know if I have on enough for it to, let me try a little bit more here. Feels like it's pretty shiny from what I can see. There's the tingle. Not bad. It's not like it's not a burn. But if you don't like the tingle at all, you won't like it. But it's not a burn. Next by Skin & Co. is the Black Truffle Polishing Micro Exfoliating Cream. And this size is 20 milliliters. Now this company is made in Italy, and they participate in 1% for the planet, alcohol-free, vegan, GMO-free. It's infused with black winter truffle for antioxidant power, and sweet almond oil to cleanse and nourish. It'll sweep away any impurities, leaving your skin feeling smooth and renewed. The full size of 150 milliliters is $28, and again, this is 20 milliliters. Next by, oh, I'm excited about this. Next by e.l.f. is their Invisistick, and this is a 50 SPF. And e.l.f. is, of course, vegan, cruelty-free, reasonably priced. This is 0.63 ounces, and that is a full size with an MSRP of $14. And it's going to have no white cast, no fuss, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. And it has sunflower seed oil and bisphenol to help skin keep hydrated and calm. And I'm excited because my daughter does this summer program with her school, and she's like, go out on charter boats and go fishing. They went to the aquarium, went by behind the scenes, and learned about the veterinary services they provide to the marine life there. They're going to a park in Brooklyn, New York. And so this is a great size for her to just keep on her and reapply to her face. She's all about sunscreen, and don't fill her anything below 50. All right, so there we go. Super excited. She's gonna love this. Perfect size to just throw into her bag. All right, and then the last item, and I almost chose this, but I was really so interested in what a lip water was. And it's plumping, and you know I love plumping. So this is from What's Up Beauty, and it is their Flirtique Eye and Cheek Palette. There is the cover. All right, and then inside there's no mirror, but there are some lovely shades here. Very nice. This full size, valued at $28. It has 4 velvety mattes and 2 shimmering metallics, plus a blush with the perfect touch of sheen. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, and it's talc-free to keep your skin soft, hydrated, and glowing all day. And you know I always love something that is dual purpose and has some extra good skincare for you. So that was my bag. I think they did a pretty good job. I do like What's Up Beauty. I'm probably going to pass this along only because I have this color story, and so I'm going to save it for somebody else. But super excited for this. This is great for my daughter. This seems very nice. I love Skin & Co. Beautiful color, and I am liking this. So, I don't know, do my lips look plumper? Let me know. Is it working? Alright, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It is totally free, but it helps our channel grow, and we do appreciate it. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.